Hi, I'm Kim Brenneman, and I'm getting a little bored of this be at home thing, but it's also kind of nice because I'm getting things done. Why don't you tell me what you're doing at home and tell me where you're from? Tell me in the comments. I'm gonna talk. Usually I write. I'm gonna write. Yeah, I'm writing, but I'm also talking about life at home. The one thing I'm going to talk about today is about bathrooms. So if you want to stick around and hear about keeping bathrooms clean, let me know and in the comments because I want to hear about it too. Tell me your greatest tips. The tip I'm going to share today is every time you go in the bathroom, do one thing to clean it or organize it or keep it in order. One thing. If you do one thing every single time you go in, and train your family to do the same thing, it makes cleaning the bathroom maintain itself. And when you actually do go in to do a good cleaning, it's pretty easy. What's not easy is when you just rush in and out, 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 in and out. Then it gets dirty faster and the days go by and pretty soon you got a mess, and it takes longer to clean up a mess than it does to clean up something that is already almost clean. So that is the one tip for today. Clean your bathroom every time you go in. Easy peasy. You can do it. Now, if you want more tips and more checklists and more things to do at home with your kids, with your home, making it all work better, head on over to my website, homeplainandsimple.com, and there is a free resource library. You drop in your email and you'll have access to it. Now, I did hear there was a little glitch, which should be resolved, but I'll check on that again just to make sure it's working all smoothly. You'll get a password in your email that you enter in to the free resource library. So that's what you do is drop your email in and then check your email to confirm it, and then you'll get an email that has the password in it. If you have any problems, let me know. All right, thanks, and I'll do this again tomorrow. But let me know where you're coming from. I want to hear about all the places in the world you're at and what you're experiencing. Bye.